I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for managing accounts receivable, seamlessly integrated with NetSuite. Today, I'll show you how to enable the Invoice Groups feature in NetSuite, which allows you to group multiple invoices together for better management. Before we start, I want to issue a warning. Once the Invoice Groups feature is enabled and an invoice group has been created, it cannot be disabled. It's highly recommended to test this feature in your sandbox or release preview account before enabling it in your production environment. If you need further help, contact your NetSuite account manager. So we will go to Setup, Company, Enable Features. Now before we move on, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. And once you're here, you click on the Transactions subtab. In the Billing section here, you check the box next to Invoice Groups here in alphabetical order, and it gives you a warning that it will be very difficult to disable the features. Are you sure you want to enable the feature? Yes, because we've been warned, we've just discussed it. So quick tip, if you don't see the Invoice Groups option, make sure you are using an administrative role or contact your NetSuite administrator. And that's it, you've successfully enabled the Invoice Groups feature in NetSuite. Remember to test it thoroughly before using it in production. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching.